This place now belongs to me, I guess. We just signed the contract, paid for the first month's rent. It's a 3-bedroom apartment, completely unfurnished. Thomas wants to move in already. Yeah, fun. I'll do a main channel video to kind of do a house tour. I've just done a house tour. That was it.
What about the other room?
Yeah, I'll make a main channel video explaining how I pulled this off. If anyone's curious and learning how to move out for the first time. It's been a long day, guys. Hey, free mirror, nice. This is everything that was in my car. This is everything I was living with. Somehow squished all of this into a tiny little Nissan Note. And along with me, I slept in my car with all this stuff. Anyway, it's all out. Now it's time to, I guess, organize it. I don't have any furniture or anything. This is just it. I just have a lot of things. So, time to organize it a bit, get all my clothes and stuff out of there. Yeah, try and make something. Yes, I'm gonna be sleeping on the floor until I figure out what to do with the, I don't know, I'll figure something out. So the guy that was here, the guy you've seen in the past couple of videos, his name's Thomas, he's from the UK, he's also a YouTuber. He wants to move in, so, I mean, he helped me move in, so why not? Yeah, he can have a room. Yeah, we've got 3 rooms here. I just want people coming and going at all times. I want creative people to come to this place and help me build something, build a team. I want to build a team, basically. And now I have a hub to do that in, so it's fun. But I'll talk about it more another time. Now I'm just gonna, let's do something with all this. I suppose I should be vlogging this process. So basically, I've spent my whole morning happy. I have a place now. I fell asleep and just didn't move the entire night. Yeah, who knew sleeping on the floor would be so nice? I really enjoy it. Today's been wild. It's only, what is it now? It's 1 o'clock. I spent the whole morning basically making calls, reading through different websites, trying to find out what's the fastest fiber optic available in this area. I've never owned fiber in my life. The speeds people are promising are ridiculous. So we found a company. I have a Spanish person on Instagram that's helping me make the calls. We've hit a bit of a wall. So the wall is that I don't have a Spanish bank account. So I text my estate agent and asked if I could use the landlord's IBAN number, which is like the bank account number. And she said, sure, it's in the contract. So I don't know if I'm doing anything right here, but I'm just giving it a go. Basically, it's Thursday, February 4th. They said that they can get the internet installed if I make the payment. They can get it installed before Saturday. Like, I was expecting weeks, but days? Dude, living in a city is insane. People are fast here. So it's got me hyped up. I'm now just trying to complete the transaction. I fell asleep last night. I didn't quite finish unpacking, but I'll show you what I've done so far. Yeah, all my old games consoles. I brought those not because I want to use them, but because I want to set them up on like a shelving unit in the back of my setup. So my desk is going to be over here. At the moment it's just here. I obviously don't have any furniture yet, but I'm going to have a desk here, gaming chair, 2 monitors, PC. It's all going to be here for the streaming setup. Got all my crystals down here. These boxes are also full of crystals and the drill and stuff like that. So yeah, everything's kind of laid out. All my camera equipment, my old laptops and stuff. Yeah, so it's coming along, you know, it's nothing at the moment. It's all just like down here on the ground, but eventually you can imagine it, I'll have things up. So here's the living space, living room. Nothing in here yet except for some weird paintings. And this one we saved yesterday, it was by the trash. She had a chair through her. Someone had just stabbed her with a chair. It was so sad. So she's been rescued. She now lives with me. Yes, we have a small bike. So this room, we have no one moving in here just yet. Oh, the echo in here is awful. We have this wonky mirror for some reason. So this room is gonna be, I'm gonna put nails everywhere and fill it with paintings. So we're gonna rescue as many weird paintings as we can and just fill this place with it. So this will be a small art gallery until we have someone move in. This is gonna be filled with plants, obviously. Everything is gonna be covered in plants. I realized if I shut all these doors, I have 7 rooms. Because there's like the bathroom, my room, living room, the art room, kitchen, this bedroom, and this space here. Technically there's 7 rooms. It's wild. How did I get so lucky? I don't know. Thomas said he wants to move in here, so he's gonna come in on Monday when his Airbnb is done. That's where we're at right now. I'm just trying to get internet sorted. And then I'm gonna go for a walk in the sun. And then I'm going to start drilling some crystals, finally. Been talking about drilling crystals for what feels like forever now. But obviously had a lot of things going on, had to do some things, do some adult stuff. I've got to be really careful that I don't dox myself. So I obviously want to show you guys my view, but obviously I shouldn't because the internet is a scary place. Anyway, that's where we're at. That's my update. Speak soon. Hello. Spent my whole morning basically just buying groceries, doing my laundry. So I've got like a washing line out here, it's pretty sick. Like I've never owned anything, so it's fun to have like luxuries like a washing machine and a sink. This brand of cooker is pretty funny. It's just called, okay, bought myself chopping board, got some plates, and I got 3 forks, let's go. And yeah, it's pretty sad in here at the moment, but you know, I'll fill it out. I think what I'm gonna do now is just unpack this and then start doing some more drilling. I drilled all of these last night. It's a bit of a mesh, but I figured out how to do it. Very fun, I enjoyed it. So I enjoyed it a lot. So yeah, all these are ready to go now. No sun today, so I'm just gonna work. Just had my first drilling accident. The crystal chipped and just went through my finger. Yo, I feel like today's a good day to vlog because Thomas is moving in. Mr. Dice to Science. So I have to go pick him up now from town and then we're gonna collect the door from a skip that I found yesterday to use as a desk. So yeah, it's gonna be a bit of a busy day. I'm gonna set up a PO box today as well. I've never set one up before, but there's one nearby that I can use and then you guys can send me weird stuff. Get out of here. Oh yeah, also I got this yesterday. Another painting to add to this discarded art gallery, which will be in there. It's kind of funny how filthy the car is. It's just covered in dust. Come on, Thomas, where are you? Where are you? Hello. What up, dude? The painting. Yes.
Saved it.
So I found this yesterday. Now we have one. Taking the door. Alright, let's go. You over there somewhere?
Yeah. Jason, where are you? I can only see you. What?
Alright, another update. We have a door. It is here. So I'm going to cut out this section here, this bottom bit, and use that as my flat desk. And then here I can put whatever. The art gallery, we've got another painting added. This is actually the first one we found. Thomas picked it up and now it's living here. It's meant to be Joseph and Jesus, I think. So Thomas has some bedding, we've got a chair for him. We bought a kitchen bin, nice. I'm making progress on my list. I've got the largest kitchen towel I've ever seen in my life. And Thomas has a desk also, he's cleaning all the filth off of it. How's it going, Thomas?
Oh, there's progress.
Alright, this thing's about to go now. It's about to crack off, but I want to do it in the best way possible. Yes! Let's go! Oh, satisfaction. Yes! Perfect. I did it! That was crazy. There you go. Desk is done now. Now I need to figure out what to do with the legs. How am I going to prop this thing up? Things are happening. We're getting internet installed. Fastest available. How exciting.
5G.
It's a new day. We have legs to the table. I've measured out 3 legs here, This will be the fourth leg. And then we'll figure out how to screw it on after that. I don't know what we're going to do with the screws. This is the update. Put the legs on now. 2 of them. It's not entirely stable. A lot of the screws won't go in fully. I've got a power drill, but it's not very powerful. It's also charging, so I don't know, it might be more powerful. The legs look kind of straight. I mean, it's a desk. It's half a desk. The desk is done, I guess. It's not great, but it will work. We'll wobble test. Jeez.
Doesn't work well.
Yeah. Oh, wait, no, I've got to do this. Legs first, yeah. It's probably the lightest desk I've ever owned, though. Oh, there we go. The desk is complete. I mean, it works. It looks a bit sketchy, but it works. Wow. We have desk.
Door desk.
So total cost is about €10 for screws and screwdriver. Oh no, €20 because I bought that electric screwdriver, which I barely even used, but...
Well, my one was free, so.
That's true. Oh yeah, we found a rug yesterday in a bin, which is perfect because I needed a rug yesterday to stop the legs scratching the floor. Hooray! It is hot. We're out here. We're in a forest. First time I've come out into nature since we arrived. Pretty big forest. Found a trail. So pretty much all week we've just been doing house stuff since we moved in. When did we move in? When did I move in? I moved in on like last week sometime.
Yeah.
Well, I've been there for a week already.
3rd.
I moved in on 3rd.
Yeah.
11th. Flippin' heck. Been there for 8 days. Wow. Yeah, I've been doing house stuff and I want to get out and do some nature stuff now because my body needs it. So we have 3 options here. Go that way, or that way. Upwards?
That looks recent though.
Yeah, it's flooded. What have we found here? What are you? So we just took a slight detour around the neighborhood to get back to the forest. The neighborhood here reminds me a lot of California. Everything reminds me of California. The architecture's all the same. The layout's the same, the dirt is the same. But yeah, this forest that we're walking into is massive. I didn't bring my zoom lens, but there's a fire tower over there. We're in a desert, but it's still growing really beautiful stuff. Deserts are fascinating. We came off trail a little bit, and now we've actually found like the forest. It was off bounds. It says this, obviously I can't read it, it's probably saying private property, blah blah. Need authorization, something, I don't know. But why would they build so many trails if you're not allowed to walk on them? This forest is unusual because they've fenced off so much of it. And we had to come off trail to find more trails. Well, we found what was the water. It's completely dried up. Wow. Came to a bridge and there were 2 yellow vest people on the end of it. So I think that's our cue to turn around. We don't know what's down there, there's just a bit of construction going on. Why have they wardened off the entire forest to do some construction? What are they up to? Dust.
You keep calling me a
I wonder if you can hear the buzz on camera. It's quite big.
Yeah.
Bobcat?
Could be.
Human? Are we lost?
No.
Have we achieved what we wanted to achieve?
Yeah, we're in the forest.
Yeah.
That's what we want.
POV of me struggling. Scratching my legs and stuff. See, we had no objective today, we just wanted to go to the forest. So this is all a win. It was much needed. Staying in the city for that long, it's too much. This forest that we're in is actually still in the city that we live in. So technically this is all just our backyard. And then beyond here is just mountains. We haven't been that far yet. We've been walking around here for a few hours now in the woods, and I'm doing all this barefoot, just keep that in mind. So I'm going rather slowly, and everything is sticking into my feet, so I have to pull it out. It slows me down even more. So yeah, but it's nice, I'm grounding. I've been wearing flip-flops since I arrived in Spain, really. Haven't spent too much time barefoot. The terrain here in Spain, because this is my first time in Spain, the terrain here is unusual. There's no mud, really. It's just kind of dirt. Dry dirt. So it's not comfortable, but it's not terrible. I kind of like it. I like desert biomes. That's why I left California so much. Yeah, it's just rocky. Ow, that's a spiky.
Hey, buddy.
So here's some info for anybody that is curious where we are. Look up this place. Oh no, I've got an image of birds with lips in my head now.